शुभ उम्मीदवार 568A इस तरफ मैं एग्जिट लूंगा. Google will show some different direction. Actually, I've been to this site many times. This is my existing customer, so I know the route. Although, surprisingly, Google also showing the same route which I used to follow. Let's see. Correct. Okay, so one second, guys. One second, guys and girls. Okay, है यहाँ program सारा ही. I'm on the correct route. I need to find some local shop, some pan bidi shop. And I don't need to take that pan bidi, but I need to take water. I forgot my water bottle today at home. I had my breakfast and then suddenly, actually, I was in a hurry today. So I just picked my laptop bag and other things, the stuff I required in my meeting. So I picked that and I just started the car. So I forgot my water bottle. Anyway, stay tuned. Let me find some shop where I can have one water bottle. Just be there, huh? I'll be back. यार ये आपको ना इसकी रोड की देख रहे हो, काफी अच्छा रोड बनाया है वैसे NHAI ने, और काफी अच्छी डेवलपमेंट हुई है दिल्ली NCR की. मच अवेटेड द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे और दिस एक्सप्रेसवे टू connecting to KMP and Chandigarh, Rohtak. So many existing expressways this road is connecting to, and it's also connecting to different locations where heavy traffic can reroute itself rather than entering into Delhi NCR, because यहाँ pollution का काफी समस्या है. आप लोग देख रहे हैं न्यूज में. We are crossing 450, अब की बार 450 पार, अब की 1000 पार. Jokes apart, we need to think much about our environment. And just give me a moment. Let me switch this camera towards me and then we'll tell you about this. Just give me a moment. So guys, I was talking about air pollution. Actually, this is really surprising or stunning कि pollution इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है. We are diluting everything, air, soil, seas, and we are not able to control it properly. We are very bad in garbage management, including me. I normally try to put garbage in proper dustbins, but कई बार हो जाती है यार, गलती है, इंसान है, we are just throwing it out of car. So avoid it and please environment को safe और healthy रखो, क्योंकि यार ये I very much believe in nature, क्योंकि as deep as big as truthful as I trust in God, the same way I trust in this nature, क्योंकि प्रकृति सबको दे ही रही है. Like we are also like plants, we are also like other animals, any living or what we call it, living or dead things of this nature, of this prakriti, of this Brahman. We are similar like them. For prakriti, if we consider prakriti as one thing, one person or one, so for prakriti we are the same. So just preserve it properly and respect the nature mother. And just give me a moment. I will be back. तो चांदी बहुत हावी चल रही है. सेम वे कॉपर भी हावी चल रही है. और कीप आई ऑन इट, क्योंकि चांदी ने तो चांदी नहीं करी लोगों की, पर कुछ लोगों की चांदी करी है. देयर पीपल आई नो, बट नॉट पर्सनली, थ्रू सम पर्सनल कनेक्ट्स, के who spent or I mean invested in silver 6 months back, and now they doubled it. Not doubled it, but somewhere around 0.8, 0.7. So it's good to invest in silver. Other than this, we'll keep you posted on for information related to my industry. Whatever I know, I will keep you motivated, focused. Just give me a moment. I haven't yet take my water bottle, cause this is complete expressway. I do not have any entry or any exit point here, so I need time for that. मैंने ना एक गलत कट ले लिया है और अब मैं थोड़ा सा उलझ गया हूँ यहाँ पे. गलत कट नहीं ये, but Google was saying that Maps was saying okay, take the exit. I literally take the exit. I need to stay on that, but I need to take little left, but I lost it. Anyway, let me identify the way. I don't know whether it'll go in the correct direction or not. Just give me a moment. My speed is down now. Okay, yeah, there is a way. This is I don't know whether this is the correct way or not, but I'm taking this way. Oh, okay, it's meeting me. Yeah, just give me a moment. This is a open sewage in my right side. I don't know the village. Let me read some banner. It's Tuda Mandi, Najafgarh. I'm in Najafgarh. Oh. Place to remember. Najafgarh का नवाब अपना सहवाग. यार वो बंदा भी बहुत बढ़िया खेलता था भाई. He's a good person, good champ. I don't know whether that news was true or not. Social media, it's diluting everything. Okay, I find some water bottle shop. Just give me a moment, I'll be back. तो फ्रेंड्स पानी मैंने पी लिया है. Actually we are in Tichau गांव now, और the Tau of Tichau told me we are on a wrong road. We need to take a U-turn now and get back to the highway. I need to take a U-turn now. Just give me a moment, guys. Oh, it's so down there in my backside. Okay, so it's Tichau, the village name, or this is colony in fact. Not, it's sort of kasbah, as I can see around. और it's in Najafgarh. सहवाग भैया के एरिया में है ये. Or let me identify, guys, just give me a minute. Let me get back to the highway, then we'll connect with you. Huh? Thank you. So, welcome back, guys. This is moist on my sunglasses. Just give me a moment. Not sunglasses, my glasses. Sorry for my misinterpretation. Anyway, I'm wrong in many things, so do not need to take me very. Just give me a moment. So, guys, I was talking about or telling about you the billing. So I have placed this order last week on, if I'm not wrong, on Tuesday, and I have made the transfer as well to my OEM, but so far I haven't got the machine, and I've been waiting that customer in